welcome back to my channel.
What are we going to be making today?
We're learning about making your own play-doh.
Right, 2 cups of table salt in with the 6 cups of flour. Go ahead.
Put all of this in?
All of it, and then you can mix it up. Okay, perfect. Now mix that up. What are we making?
Play-doh!
Yes, that's right. We're gonna make red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Yep. What does that make?
The rainbow!
That's right.
I'm gonna put a few drops of the food coloring in the water.
Right. So what color is that?
Blue. It's like an eyeball.
Nice.
I'm gonna do green.
Perfect.
Plenty. Oh, the greens are very dark.
The last color you're putting in.
Yellow.
Okay, now that we have all our colors, now we need what, Jay? What are we putting in now?
Vegetable oil.
That's right. We have a half a teaspoon. Actually, it's a half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Go ahead, put it in. We're gonna put a half a tablespoon in each. Yeah, we're gonna put in each one, right? How's it looking, Jay?
Good.
Let's get the next ingredient. That red one came out really good, huh? Let's show them how we made it, okay?
Okay.
So we have our ingredients here. We're gonna do the blue. We have our food dye, we have the vegetable oil, and we have the warm water. And what are we putting in right now?
Flour.
Yeah, it's about a cup of flour, and it has a little bit of salt in it.
I made a little snake.
Cool, Jay. Really good job.
Okay.
Let's show them how we make it, okay? Let's. Want to pour that in?
Yep.
Nice. Now stir.
Make a Play-doh.
That's looking really good, Jay. Keep stirring. Really cool. What are you doing now, Jay?
Eating it.
Oh, that's turning out really good. Put them in the refrigerator for a little bit. They're nice and hard, which actually you could play with right away, but it's a little better when you refrigerate them for a little bit. What color do you have in your hand?
Red.
Nice. What's next?
Orange.
Yeah?
Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple.
Nice. What are we gonna, you wanna make something?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna take one out and show them?
I want to do red.
Okay.
The best one.
What do you wanna make first?
Fries.
Wanna make some French fries? All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Go ahead, Jay.
This is like a workers thing where you the vehicle where they the cement roller.
Oh yeah, it's like a cement roller.
Yeah.
You're right. Cool. What are you making now?
French fries.
French fries? You're making the French fry case, right?
Yeah.
Little box that goes in.
Then we're gonna need some yellow. Then get a little plastic knife and then cut the French fries.
Okay, it's a good idea. that came out really good.
Cut.
Yeah. Nice. McDonald's French fries right there. Oh, yes. What'd you just make?
French fries.
McDonald's French fries came out. Oh, really nice.
Yep.
What are you making now? Coke can?
Yep. Make it into a big jelly bean.
Big jelly bean. All right, let me see what you're doing.
Now let's blend this out.
Okay. Oh, like you're making the little place where you drink out of?
Yeah.
You know what we should do? We should stick a straw in there.
Yeah.
Mommy will make some letters for you to put on the front. Okay?
Okay. In here.
Oh, you're putting the Coke inside?
Yep.
All right. Nice. Nice. Mommy will make the letters
I'm
and
gonna
the
make
straw
the
for you.
shape.
Good. Really good idea. Nice job, Jay. Now let's get a straw for it, okay? Some muscles into it, Jay. What other kind of meals do you make in your restaurant?
Pizza. Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza.
Pineapple.
Making pineapple and broccoli.
Pineapple.
Oh, that's so cute. So you're gonna put some pineapple onto your pizza, your cheese pizza?
So I have to cut the green thing off.
All right.
Good. Now I can do a square.
That's right. You don't want that little green stem on your pizza, huh? So you're gonna cut that off? All right.
Some broccoli.
Ooh, yum! So broccoli and pineapple cheese pizza. Sounds good.
Another pineapple.
All right. I'm gonna have to try a slice of that, okay?
Okay.
Looks really good.
It's gonna be the best.
I'm sure it is.
I'm the best chef.
Yeah. You are a pretty good chef.
Got this pineapple.
Cutting the stem off. All right.
Pineapple.
Yum.
Let's make some broccoli. Big pizza.
Stick the knife
I got an
underneath.
idea.
You can just stick the knife underneath. Like this.
Wait,
There you go. There you go.
wait, I got an
Oh,
idea.
I love it.
Make the crust.
Looks like a yummy pizza now, Jay. Take a bite.
Wait,
Take a bite, Jay. Tell me how it is. Is it good? Yummy.
Thanks for watching my video. Hit the bell down below. Bye!